Mixo v2.3 is here, and if you've been wondering whether it's the best AI software released recently, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll go through 7 crucial things you need to know about Mixo v2.3. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the insight you need to decide if this is the AI tool that can level up your digital game. And hey, you can try Mixo v2.3 for completely free through the link in the description below. Let's dive straight into it. Mixo v2.3 brings a number of incredible updates that set it apart from the competition, making it one of the most anticipated AI releases of the year. First up, the user interface has been completely revamped for a smoother, more intuitive experience. If you've used previous versions, you'll immediately notice the ease of navigating between different features. Everything feels more accessible and better organized, allowing for faster execution of tasks. Now let's talk about its key feature, the AI-powered content generation. Mixo v2.3 doesn't just spit out generic text, it creates highly tailored content based on your preferences and inputs. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or a creator, this software saves you hours of brainstorming and editing. It leverages deep learning to refine its outputs based on your style and tone preferences, making your content feel natural and engaging without the heavy lifting. Another critical aspect to mention is Mixo's integration capabilities. The software works seamlessly with major platforms, allowing you to push content directly to social media, blogs, or even email newsletters. This integration saves you significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on scaling your business instead of manually uploading content across various channels. The analytics tool in Mixo v2.3 is another game changer. It not only tracks performance metrics, but also provides AI-driven recommendations on how to improve your content. Whether it's adjusting your posting times or changing your content strategy based on data-driven insights, this feature is like having a digital marketing expert at your fingertips. One of the standout updates in Mixo v2.3 is its enhanced voice generation. Now, AI-driven voiceovers sound more realistic and human-like than ever before. This is a huge win for creators who rely on voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, or marketing materials. You can create professional-grade voiceovers in seconds without needing a sound studio. But here's the part that really sets Mixo v2.3 apart. The AI doesn't just assist with creating content. It actively learns from your preferences and evolves with each use. So, as you keep using the tool, it gets smarter, more efficient, and tailored to your needs. This adaptability makes it a tool that grows with you, which is rare in AI software. Lastly, Mixo v2.3 is designed for speed. With faster processing times and the ability to handle multiple projects simultaneously, this software helps you get results quicker than other AI tools on the market. Whether you're working on multiple clients or running several campaigns, Mixo's performance will keep up. So, if you're on the fence about whether Mixo v2.3 is worth your time, just know that it combines cutting-edge AI technology with real-world functionality, making it an invaluable asset for anyone in digital marketing, content creation, or business development. Before you go, check out the first link in the description below to try Mixo v2.3 for free and see for yourself how it can transform your workflow. I've also included my recommended AI tools down below for you to explore, after trying thousands of AI softwares to help you make the best decision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.